What's going on, everybody? This is Dave from Steel City Jones Flight Academy. Today, we're going to talk about the newer Elistair Ligh-T4 tethered power station for the Matrice 200 and 210. This works for the V1 models and the V2 models, so no matter what you have, they have an air module that will work for this. And there's a lot of really new features and functionality that we'd like to share with you. So about 14 months ago, we did the review on the Ligh-T3, and we really liked that unit as well, and we've been recommending and selling that unit. Now with the Ligh-T4, there's a lot of new features that I'd like to share with you. So on the Ligh-T4, what is really nice is you have an option for different torque settings on the cable. So if it's really windy out and you want more torque and tension on that cable, you can go ahead. There's a setting between 1 and 4, 1 being the lowest setting and 4 being the highest setting. Also, this is a complete auto retraction system. So as you go up, it automatically will feed you more cable, and as it comes down, it will automatically retract that cable system for you, and it does it really nice and seamless. It doesn't put too much torque and tension on there. It's absolutely seamless. We really like that. Also on the Ligh-T4 is these roller bearings on here. The roller bearings are really nice because it absolutely keeps the friction on the cable very low and really minimizes wear and tear on this cable. This can go over 225 feet high, so there's plenty of cable on here, and it weighs really light where you can still put a Z30 on here if you need that as well. So that's not a problem at all. The air modules that they make separate air modules for the V1 and V2. And on the right side is just the regular TB55 battery that we're going to use for in case the system ever would fail. We have a battery that allows us to have that redundancy backup that we can get this down and land safely without any problems. And then over here where the cable goes in for the air module, this is a nice strain relief system on here so that it attaches to the landing gear, and that way the tethered cable, as it pulls torque and tension down, it will never have strain or stress on the connection for the air module, which is perfect. That's flawless. And the air module goes in just like a regular battery, and it just plugs right in just like that. So we really like this system, and you can also, it's adaptable for an Android app called T-Monitor. And when you use that, you can actually monitor your power consumption, your temperature. It also will give you alarms on there for the entire time it's live. Systems like this have also been used non-stop for over 24 hours without any problems. So it's tested. We actually have been flying this for a client, testing and setting up for them. We're over 90 degrees. So now I'm going to do a demonstration on how this system works. And right now is a good time where I'll go ahead and hit the torque on 1. And you can see it pulling up the slack. And I'm going to go directly behind, in front, right on top of the tethered system. So now I'm just going to go straight up in the air. So as we ascend, we're going to go up very slowly. Everything looks good. So now I'm going to come down and land. So once I'm about 20 feet above the station, I'm going to bring it around 6 feet away from the station and land it straight down. It's okay to have the tension on it. I just land it really nice and slow. So it's a really nice system on here. The pricing also has come down compared to the older price levels, so the pricing is a lot less expensive. So if you're in the market for something like this, you want to know more about it, please reach out to us and we'll be glad to talk to you. Until next time, thanks again. If you like this video and like to see more free videos in the future, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And while you're at it, if you're interested in free lessons on how to fly drones, discounts on drone equipment, discounts on insurance, or access to our exclusive drone video library, check out our website, steelcityflightacademy.com.